Okay, who's Santa?
Who's Santa?
We have to.
You want to be Santa? You don't want to be Santa?
Yeah, it's your house. You're Santa.
That's true. You are Santa. You do deliver Christmas Day. So many people are happy you showed up today.
You want to open a present?
These are not old.
Let's see what I have.
I mean, they're only 2 years old. You know, I still have the ones from high school, right?
Oh,
from us. Sorry. I didn't put
Those ones are from like 10th grade.
Luli.
this is for real.
The only I only wear them inside, so.
You love. Who is that? Who's that?
You're the one at
Who is that? Oh.
So I don't wear them.
Who
Like,
is
when I go
that?
out to the driveway, I can't wear them. These ones I can wear in the driveway.
You want one, bud? You want help? You want one? Yeah? There you go. You do it.
That's for Niklaus.
Rip it, girl. Rip it.
Oh my gosh, wow.
Thank you.
What do you got, bud? It's got Scooby-Doo. Scooby-Doo. Look at that. It's the Spidey. What is that?
Oh, we love
I told you
V-Tech.
we got that. Oh, my God. Oh, Spidey.
Anything that lights up is so cool right now. Thank you.
I love that you want to buy that stuff.
Yeah.
You know,
The Venom.
We're all grown out of it.
thrown out of that.
Oh, you in the house?
Miles.
Yeah.
See, back in, it was black and red with Venom, and there's so many now. Oh, I know. Crazy. The Spider-Verse or whatever.
Wow. Then there's like 8 different versions of Peter Parker. And then
You still call him Peter.
Niklaus, this is for you, buddy.
that's right.
Tom Holland is in it.
Wow. Say thank you.
What do you say, Marissa?
Oh, no, Klaus. You let Klaus.
Yes.
Yeah.
Really,
I want the paper to smell this year.
Wow.
I couldn't even rip it.
Like
Let me
Hobby
see.
Lobby paper is legit now.
15
Oh, it
minutes.
is. It's legit.
Wow.
What do you got? Let's see.
Oh, you got
We did easy. Oh, no, don't worry. Don't worry. Oh, that's not.
The-
But that's what we have for it.
It
Oh,
looks like
Oh, no,
Make a loud noise.
it's like magnetic, storage and stuff.
This.
Thank you so much.
Very good, Chapman.
You did not have to.
I got
I know, but okay.
I hope we can do it again next.
We're not gonna steal the content.
So just give it a minute.
yeah.
It is. Definitely looks like it.
It's not, but
Not?
no.
I hear the one at Chapman. You hear it, Mom?
Oh, for 2025 moment.
Oh my gosh, it's
I
loud.
know, 2024 was so special.
Oh.
Yeah, go with it.
Yes, yes, yes.
I have to make you cut it. I have to make you cut it. Yeah. Looks like a bunch of slots so far.
You need help getting this unwrapped?
Oh my
I
god.
think I got some paper.
Busted into grease.
What time is it now?
Oh, and the stockings on the tree. Sorry, Tommy, they didn't
Yeah,
have the white
this is for you. No, no.
What?
Your stocking is red.
Is it supposed to be white?
Everyone else is white.
were white when I brought it out.
I'm the black sheep.
And they didn't have any, they didn't have these days.
Really, Rose? Realist. Hey, look at Grandma's got another one. He's got another present for you.
Oh, it's time.
4 different days.
So just give it a minute.
You got it's supposed to bring help.
I need all that.
I'm taking out.
Yeah. This road. Yes, that's why I didn't say so.
Wow.
This is cute.
Yeah, look.
Oh my gosh, it's loud.
It's so pretty. Oh, what's this?
Oh my god. Did we get that at Target?
Yeah, it's Cat and Jack. We know.
Isn't it funny how the moms are always the ones that are excited about it? Kids can hear us.
No, Bill's ran off with the crown. She's
not in the mouth, Lou.
What's that?
oh, this is so cute. Thank you.
Yeah.
Samara, help me bring it. Bring it to Mama. Go get it. Really? Okay, bye.
Yeah, she's jumping already.
I have some more here for burger too.
Hand over.
Oh, come on, Dad. She's having fun with that.
But she about takes Lily out with it.
I know. It's actually Lily's present, but when you're 1 and 2, everything is kind of together.
Yeah.
We've learned.
Oh, yeah.
You know, when they're that close, it's like they're interested.
There you
So
go.
how quick do you change clothes?
Okay, that's Lily's.
Like, what do you mean?
Right on time.
She's like to the point where she's into her next level.
Oh yeah. No, like literally, I told people that was the first thing at Louis' first birthday. Everyone had put a shoe in that nothing. Like she has every walker, every play toy, every outfit you could think of. I was like, anything is necessary. Nothing is necessary.
Really is opening up.
Yeah, I mean, it's
Yeah.
This thing is so fun.
Oh, look at
It's amazing how both they look alike. You don't know.
yeah. Did you hear Amber when she walked in?
Really?
Said, oh my gosh, that
Don't
and
stand
my
up.
heart. Yeah, gone.
Well, this is paper. This is coordinated paper.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.